Welcome back to Auto Vibe, where we explore machines that whisper the future into the present. Today, we dive deep into the 2026 Bajaj Chetak Electric scooter, now reborn with an extraordinary 440-kilometer range. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a quiet revolution gliding on two wheels, ready to redraw the boundaries of urban mobility. A new chapter for Chetak. Bajaj has treated the 2026 Chetak like a heritage artifact infused with new energy. The classic soul remains, but the mechanics have been reshaped with long-distance ambition. The scooter now targets riders who want reliability without the daily ritual of charging anxiety. It feels like a familiar companion taught a new endurance trick. Design philosophy and build. The design continues to follow a premium metal body tradition, something rare in the crowded EV market. The scooter carries its weight with elegance, offering solidity without unnecessary bulk. Every element, from the curvature of the side panels to the subtly redesigned headlamp, seems placed with intention. The lines flow together with an unforced confidence, giving the Chetak a mature visual personality. Storage spaces have been enlarged and reinforced, making daily use more convenient. Even the charging port placement has been fine-tuned so riders don't have to crouch like acrobats while plugging in. Lighting and aesthetic upgrades. The 2026 model introduces a more expressive LED headlamp setup, brighter indicators, and a cleaner signature tail design. None of this tries to be loud or futuristic for the sake of it, instead, it blends into the scooter's traditional charm. The illumination is efficient, crisp, and tuned for city visibility, especially in rain or fog, those moments when clarity feels like a small blessing. The heart, 440 kilometers battery system. The headline feature is the 440-kilometer range. This new long-distance battery feels almost like an electric passport granting freedom from daily charging routines. Bajaj has equipped the 2026 Chetak with a high-density lithium battery pack, improved thermal management, smarter regenerative braking, balanced discharge algorithms. The battery is designed not only for raw distance but also for consistency. Even after repeated cycles and harsh temperature swings, the range drop is expected to remain minimal. Charging options include fast charging, a quick energy top-up for rushed mornings, home charging, a gentle overnight refill, public charging compatibility for long urban routes and intercity hops. The battery now feels less like a component and more like a loyal, silent partner. Motor and performance dynamics. The 2026 motor isn't chasing racetrack glory, instead, it focuses on smoothness and predictability. Bajaj has refined the torque curve, making acceleration buttery at low speeds where most riders spend their day. Performance highlights. Enhanced low-end torque for quick urban bursts. Refined mid-speed cruising. Minimal vibrations and quiet operation. Revised suspension tuning for uneven roads. The scooter glides rather than sprints, offering a calm riding posture that makes heavy traffic feel slightly less claustrophobic. The suspension absorbs road imperfections with a gentler manner, allowing longer rides without fatigue. Braking and safety enhancements. The braking system, now assisted by optimized regenerative control, provides steadiness even during sudden slowdowns. The Reagan feels natural, neither too aggressive nor absent, returning energy when the rider eases off the throttle. Safety improvements include better water resistance for crucial electronics, updated traction control, improved grip tires, intelligent hazard response during system warnings. Everything is designed to create a riding environment that feels protective without being intrusive. Dashboard and connectivity. The digital console has evolved into a wider, more informative panel. Riders now get real-time battery analytics, riding statistics, navigation, and even system health alerts delivered in clear minimalistic layouts. Through the companion app, riders can track charging status, lock/unlock digitally, trace location, enable theft alerts, schedule service reminders. Connectivity feels like a quiet assistant in the background, never overwhelming, but always helpful. Practicality in daily life. What makes the 2026 Chetak special is its practicality. The 440 kilometers range stretches across an entire workweek for most commuters. Storage improvements turn it into a more functional family vehicle. For long commutes, it behaves like a peaceful cocoon, sheltering you from the noise of the streets while gliding with electric grace. The new footboard design allows larger bags, and the seat cushioning has been upgraded for long-haul comfort. Price expectations and market position. Bajaj is expected to position the 2026 Chetak slightly above the current premium EV segment because of its expanded range and metal body craftsmanship. Expected strengths in the market. A clear advantage in range. Brand reliability. Higher build quality compared to plastic-bodied rivals. Balanced pricing for long-term cost efficiency. It is poised to challenge established electric scooters not through flashy features but through endurance and trustworthiness. Who the Chetak 2026 is for? This scooter is for daily commuters tired of frequent charging, riders who value quality over gimmicks, long-distance city travelers, officegoers seeking low running cost, families wanting a reliable shared vehicle. It's a scooter designed for the rhythm of real-life demands rather than tech showcases. Final thoughts. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak with its 440 km battery arrives as a quiet landmark in India's electric mobility journey. It doesn't shout innovation, it simply delivers it through endurance, refinement, and thoughtful engineering. It respects the rider's time, reduces the burden of charging stress, and carries forward the Chetak legacy into an electric dawn. If urban commuting feels like a daily puzzle, this scooter tries to solve a piece of it with quiet determination.